Okay, here we are, the Antique Motorcycle Club of America. Big rally. It's got a 1920 Harley Davidson. Tires dressed out with Renew Protect Black. One coat. It's got a bit of a dry rot already taking effect, but the Renew Protect will definitely prolong these vintage tires, vintage remake tires. We've got a 1960 Velocette, which we fully dressed out with Renew Protect here at the show. The saddle, we did a base coat of black, light coat of black, base coat of black, second coat of satin. I think it's quite clear the effects. We got the foot pegs, dressed out with one coat of black. And there you are, Renew Protect, American Antique Bike Club of America.